Hi there, and welcome to your last task here in level 2. So you'll notice the same thing, the name cell. So go ahead and attach your name, and hopefully you'll see your name appear in that welcome message. Be sure you type in there. So Lauren, welcome back. So hopefully you learned a lot of great skills here in level 2. You're going to combine a lot of those skills at the very end of this task. So this one is actually going to start real small. I'm going to show you how to split cells. So splitting cells is going to be very helpful when you maybe forget to make two separate questions on a Google form. This is helpful when you're trying to sort a sheet. So right now you're going to see over here it says Peter Parker, all my first and last names. Right now I can't sort this sheet by last names because my first and my last are kind of glued together. I need a really easy way to make those splits happen so that I can alphabetize, sort, do what I need to do. So first thing we're going to do is click on column B. You'll see that gray bar. If you right click, you'll see insert one to the right as one of your options. That's one way to do it. I'm a big fan of right clicking. The other way that you can do it is you can hit insert and then you'll see column. Either way works the same. So here I'm going to make this column my first names and then my last names are going to go in column C. So now what I need to do is I need to select the data that I'm actually trying to change. So you'll see highlight B4 to B11. So B4 down to B11. So again, I click and I drag down. Then you're going to come all the way up here to where you see data. You've been into this button a lot in this level because it really lets you play. And you're going to come all the way down to where you see split text to columns. And it'll ask how you like it to detect. So you have a couple options. You can either, maybe there's a comma between things or the semicolon, a period. You can also choose detect automatically. I'm going to choose that there's a space bar. And look at that. All done. Now I can actually sort things, rearrange things, all that good stuff. You can also delete columns. So maybe I need this one. You can right click and hit delete. The other way is if you click on F, hold the shift key, and then click on the other columns. That's how you can actually delete two columns. Notice you can actually insert two columns. So one of the nice tricks. Alright, the last one I'm going to show you is something called data validation. This is a way for you to create custom drop-down menus. So let's say I'm doing a survey for the staff and they need to choose between a select items for maybe a staff lunch. But I don't want them just to type in things randomly, I want them to pick from things. So these are where I'm going to put the drop-down from C4 down to C9. So you can see those are nice and grayed out. Come to data, your little home away from home. And you're going to see the option once you kind of zoom in, data validation. And it's going to come with this little pop-up menu right here. So I'm going to choose a list of items, and then I can do sandwich, soup, salad. I can list all of my options. And then hit the save button. Alright, so now when I send this out to staff, all they have to do is come in and choose from the drop-down menu. You'll see that those fonts don't quite match. I'm going to show you another shortcut, just something to play with. Let's say I wanted this font, this exact size, everything about it, to happen in column C. So I'm going to select this style and choose this paintbrush here. And now I'm going to select and drag down. Ta-da! It copies your formatting. Isn't that fun? I love it. It's a great, easy way to copy and paste everything without changing the font and the size individually. When you're done, go ahead and type in here how this response would be helpful. You've seen this already, so I think I could use this. Share some of your thoughts with me, because I'm actually very interested in more about your job on your campus. Notice it says insert a column to the left. So we saw that before. One to the left. And it's saying using steps 1 through 5. So I'm going to put content. And it says we're going to add the 4 content menus. So select and drag down. Same thing, data validation. So let's clear these and let's put maybe in order. So math, social studies, and then science, which would be in front. Save. See how the formatting also saved? Really cool. All right, all together now. So this challenge, I want you to actually do something with. I want you to combine the skills that you've seen here in level 2. If you happen to do level 1, you can combine some of those skills as well. I've listed some of the ones that we've done with data validation, conditional formatting, checkboxes, splitting cells, protecting cells, trimming white space, lots of good stuff. So if you already have an existing spreadsheet, you are more than welcome to kind of copy and paste a sample of it and then use some of your new tricks here. I would love to see how that works. You're also more than welcome to make up some data, or if you want to copy some of the previous tables that you've already done here in these levels, keep it simple, more than likely, but my goal is for you to use at least 2 of the 3 skills that you've at least learned in this level. So really excited, have at it. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Again, as always, if you're a little bit stuck, feel free to insert a comment. You'll see that option right there, and I will respond as fast as I can because I do get email notifications when you do. Feel free to email me if you need me to come to your campus or anything at all. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for finishing out level 2. Don't forget to complete the very last closing activity in order to earn credit for this level. Very important. Have a good day.